Imagine yourself in this 2004 Ford F-150. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 300 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, part-time, 5.4-liter V8 SOHC engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 66.0, clock, in radio display and compass. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.